What's up, guys? We are back at it again with another random retail pack opening. I was able to save up 25 rip chips for this week from doing all my chores, and this is going to be a super exciting rip. Hopefully, we have better luck this time than last rip. It's pretty rough, but let's get into this. All right, guys, let's get started with some score treat. This is a more of a lower end product. Let's see if we can hit something nice. I think there's maybe autographs in here. Let's see something nice. Caleb Williams. Actually, I don't know if he's in this product or not. Hopefully he is. Okay, we got Andre Tippett. Got a rookie of Dylan Johnson. And we got an Andre Tippett again. Let's keep it going. We haven't had the best luck for score treat, but see if we can hit something nice. Got a Joe Mixon. Got a Brendan Rice, rookie, and a Devin White. I think we got two more packs of score treat here. All right. We got a Trevor Lawrence. We got a Brendan Rice again. And a Garrett Wilson green kind of color match. One more pack of score treat. Come on, we need something out of this. Got a Jarrett Stidham. We got a Edgerrin Cooper, rookie, and a Rondale Moore. Pretty rough stuff from score treat. Now we got two packs of 2021 Mosaic. See some Trevor Lawrence out of here. Nice Mosaic color. Looks like we got some red and yellow. Austin Eckler. That looks sick. We got Andre Reed. Hall of Fame. I feel like we pulled this card. Dan Marino. Pretty sick. And a Ray Lewis. One more pack of Mosaic. Let's see. We got a Curtis Martin, Hall of Fame. Rob Gronkowski. Got a rookie of Caleb Farley. All right, now we are on to one pack of 2021 Prism. See some T-Law out of here. Jordan Love. Bud Dupree. Got a rookie of Terrence Marshall Jr. And we got Kyle Pitts. It's a solid one. Fireworks. Think he'll be good this season with Kirk Cousins throwing him the ball. We got two packs of Chronicles 2022. Let's see some nice Purdy PC action. Ooh, got something shiny. Sauce Gardner. It's a nice one. Kenny Pickett. We got a Derek Stingley Jr. rookie. Got a rookie of cursive's hard to read. Kadon Thorbix. Tariq Woolen rookie. He's a solid rookie. Please be autographed. Oh, well, that's so sick. Sam Howell rookie silver. Damn, if that was an autograph, that'd been big. So sick card though. Malik Willis. We got like every top rookie, and I don't see a Purdy. Oh, okay. Yep, called it. Bam. Nice Purdy. And a Jahan Dotson score silver. Nice little Purdy there. We'll take it. It's PC. Now we got one pack of Absolute Football. Oh, forgot about the other Chronicles pack. Not bad. I love Chronicles. Okay. I do love Chronicles. What a sick picture, too. Another beautiful Purdy. You get like every top rookie in here, bro. Chronicles, base. Put that in the middle. Sauce Gardner. It's a sick picture. Mocking them. Got Bailey Zappi. Got Brian Robinson Jr. Clear Romeo Dobbs. Brian Robinson score. David Bell. And a Najee Harris Green. Dorteal on the Chronicles. Solid. Got a couple of nice birdies there. Now let's go on to Absolutes. Dante Foreman. Put a rookie in the wrong pile. Kyler Murray. MVS. Jalen Carter rookie. Derek Hall rookie. Oh, that was an autograph. So sick card. Jordan Addison by Storm rookie. And a Geno Smith. All right, now we got one pack of 2021 Optic. Love Optic. Let's see some T-Law. Nice parallel downtown, possibly. All right, Brett Favre. DK Metcalf. Felipe Franks rated rookie. And Greg Rousseau. Damn, these look sick. Wow. I'm going to sleeve that up. Sick parallels from Optic. Now we got 2 packs of the brand new composite football. A lot of variety in here. Bunch of Hall of Famers. Nice Niner stuff. Jerry Rice. Only 4 rookies in this class. Stroud, Bryce, Levis, and Richardson. Got a Gronk. Put them at the middle. Ray Lewis, black. Hines Ward. Nice Levis. Levis. Back-to-back Levises. Nice. See some Stroud. We got Darren Woodson. Donovan McNabb. Hines Ward on the sick card. James Harrison. And Adrian Peterson. Not too great of stuff from composite, but we still got rookies and stars now. Sick silver pair. The base cards are silver, which look really sick. These look so sick, bro. Nice start. PC action. Nick Bosa. These look so sick. Aiden Hutchinson. Jamal Williams. Khalil Herbert. Joey Bosa. Jahan Dotson. These cards look so sick. I remember these. Ooh. Thrillers Devontae Adams. That is so sick. Travis Kelce. Rookie Jahmyr Gibbs. Nice one. On the red. Kind of shiny. And we got a red silver rookies and stars of DJ Johnson. We will take it. Straighten up these piles. One more pack of rookies and stars. Russell Wilson. Derek Carr. Miles Sanders. There's a bunch of base. I'll skip through that. Let's see who we got on this one. Oh my god. Whew. That is nice. I'm going to give that one a top load. That looks beautiful. Such a sick card. Look at that shine. Sick. our best pull so far. All right, now we're on to 2024. Oh, forgot the cards in the pack. We got a Jonathan Taylor and then a Tank Dell and a rookie of, who is this? Jamari Connor. Nice stuff. Now we got 2 packs of 2024. We got points. All right. Jahmyr Gibbs rookie. Nice one. Kevion Mitchell die cut. Chase Brown and Eric Gray. Gabe Davis. DK Metcalf die cut. JT and a Darnell Wright. Now we're on to the big stuff. We got 3 packs of 2023 Optic. Let's see it downtown. I think these are retail packs. Quentin Johnson, rated rookie. Mike Anna Thompson. Adams, Devontae Williams, Tank Bigsby, and Montez Sweat. Last pack of Optic. Jimmy G, Dante Wicks, Slitton, and a Garrett. Now we got 2 packs of Prism 2023. See some Stroud, first Stroud of the video. Judy, Josh Palmer, Mac Jones, Silver, Ben Schronek, Kyler Murray pink, nice Jaden Reed, and a Kenny McIntosh. Got another pink in this pack. Romeo Dobbs, James Winston, Antonio Winfield Jr., Quentin Johnson, Joey Bosa. There's Quentin Johnson. And a Bryce. It's a nice pull there. Let's leave that up. Give that one a top load too. Sick card. We got 2 packs of Optic now. This is going to be big. This is our biggest packs that we've ever ripped. Come on. I'm nervous. Jimmy G. Will Ferrell. Tyreek Hill. Tampa Bay. I think they had like Winfield this year. Tyler Johnson. Last pack of the video. Thank you everyone for watching. Let's pull a banger right here. Come on. This is it. Got a hollow. Please be rookie. Joshua DeGrua. Adam Thielen. All right, guys, just straighten up a little. Not the best results, but I'm still super grateful to be ripping all these cards. Let's go through some of the hits we were able to pull. We got a Sauce Gardner, Jordan Addison, Greg Doucero. We got a Tim Howell, Jaden Reed, get a Gibbs, Thrillers, super sick card of Devontae Adams, Tank Dell, John Donson, Nice Will Levis, Cool Levis, Jahmyr Gibbs. These are our 2 hits right here, top loaded cards. Bryce Young and Bryce Young, Prism and Rookies and Stars. Sick card right here. Brock Purdy, PC, and another Brock Purdy. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.